welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara Del Monica and welcome to today's video. On today's video, we're going to be chatting about a product that you guys have gotten in this month's Curls Monthly. If you're a Curls Monthly subscriber, hello, so happy you're here. If you're not a Curls Monthly subscriber, what are you doing with your life? Curls Monthly is my curly hair subscription service where each month I send you 5+ of my favorite curly hair products and accessories. And in today's video, we're going to be chatting all about the Teleties hair ties. These hair ties are honestly so great. I'm so excited that we finally got this brand inside of Curls Monthly. It's actually been a while that we have been trying to get them in here. So it, for us is a big win because we love Teleties. I think that these are so cute. Teleties are the ultimate replacement to a traditional hair tie. Unlike other hair ties that kind of have this pull to them, they slide out of your hair so easily because they just have like the nice, easiest, gentle coating to them. So they're not going to stick in your hair and make your hair knotty as it comes out. Another reason why I really like Teleties specifically is because they have an extremely strong grip. They also come in 3 different sizes. So the size that you're going to get is their largest size. They do have 2 sizes smaller. So if you are wanting to do, little hair tie do's and things like that, that's great. But these hair ties are specifically the best if you are, someone who is working out, you want to keep your hair pulled back and stay pulled back. It's definitely not going to slip out. And that being said, they don't leave any creases. So they decrease your creases, which again is so great, especially if you have like a wavier hair type or if just like your hair flattens out easily. They're also completely water resistant and they have no rip to them. So unlike other hair ties, when you're tying them around your hair, they can sometimes pop and rip. These will not do that. One of my favorite things that I do with Teleties is actually tie them around my hair when I am like working in the kitchen, for example, because even just tying it around that one time doesn't make the, doesn't slip out of my hair. Maybe just tying it around one time, I couldn't do like a full cardio HIIT workout, but I definitely have done yoga in that way. So, less intense workouts. Obviously you can loop them around more, but the more you loop, the more tightly your hair is going to be pulled back. So if you're somebody who works in a place where you have to have your hair tied up, if you're somebody who works in a place where, your hair has to be out of your face, just using this is a great way to do that and preserve your curls. And it really does come out so easily. So excited for you to try these. Also the colors inside of Curls Monthly are so stinking cute. And a lot of times people will actually stack Teleties. So another cute way to use them is to kind of put all 3 of them together and then sort of just stack them on your hair like that. I think that is also super cute and just a great way to like switch it up, and look how easy they come in and out of my hair. So obviously the title of this video is to stop wearing hair ties on your wrist and instead use Teleties. The thing with traditional hair ties around your wrist is putting it on your wrist stretches the hair tie out. So over time, that hair tie is not going to be as like buoyant because you're just continually stretching it out over your wrist. Number 2, kind of looks tacky. And there's always like hair that is always like wrapped around the hair tie and it just doesn't look good. Not a cute, clean cut look. Whereas the Teleties, I think like, especially when you stack them, like they actually look good around your wrist. Like it looks like I'm purposely put them there. I've seen bracelets that kind of just look like this in general. So you're kind of playing into that, especially again with like the stacking thing and how color coordinated they all are. And the thing with traditional hair ties too, is when you have them on your wrist, you put your hands under the sink and then to wash your hands, and then the hair tie gets wet. And then, you're doing that 5 times a day and your hair tie is just continually getting wet and staying on your hands, and that really wears out the elastic. So since these are water resistant, that's just another great perk that like you don't have to worry about that. And it also doesn't stay wet because it's not fabric. So if they get wet, I hate that feeling of like your hair ties wet on your wrist. It feels disgusting. So if these do get wet from the sink, they're just going to dry. They're not going to like stay wet and then like erode and get all gross. So I can't wait to hear your thoughts on these. I think that these are so stinking cute and I'm so excited that they're in Curls Monthly this month. If this video helped you at all, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed, and I'll see you next time.